Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you demo of ZemiSmart DownLight. If you wish to purchase this product, I have provided the link in video description box below. Please note that this product is available on AliExpress website and it will take 2 to 4 weeks to ship to India. Before going ahead, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it now. This is ZemiSmart DownLight. You can install this downlight in your living room and it's very easy to install, especially if you have a false ceiling. You can see two wires are provided here which are very easy to connect. It supports 85 to 265 voltage and it's a 10 watts bulb. You can see two clips are provided here to fix this downlight. You can control this downlight through SmartLife app or through voice assistant like Google Home and Alexa. It's an RGB LED downlight, so it supports multiple color. You can probably install 2 to 4 downlights to enhance your living room. Based on your mood, you can also set colors. Now let me connect this downlight and show you a demo. Now you can see I have connected this downlight and it's blinking, which means it's reset, and now I need to add this in the SmartLife app. If your downlight is not blinking, then you can reset the downlight by switching on and off power 3 times to reset the downlight. Now let me add this downlight in the SmartLife app. To add this device in your SmartLife app, you need to click on Add Device button and click on Lighting Devices. And now here you need to confirm the light blinks option. And here you need to provide your Wi-Fi password and click on Confirm button. And it's a straightforward process. Now you can see it's connecting. Okay, so you can see on the screen the device is added successfully. Okay, so let's control this device through the SmartLife app. I'll turn off the light. So you can see with the SmartLife app, I am able to control this light. Let me turn on. Let me change the color. You can see right now it's red color. Let's select some other color. You can see we can change any, there's so many colors provided here. We can change any color as per our mood. And we can even increase the brightness of light. You can see it's currently 52%, 71%, and even we can reduce the brightness of light also. Now let's control this downlight through Google Home. Since my SmartLife account is already linked to Google Home, whenever I add any new device in SmartLife app, it automatically gets added to Google Home. If you want to know how to add any new device in Google Home, you can check my previous Google Home video. Now let's control this through Google Home. Okay Google, change smart bulb color to red.
Alright, changing the smart bulb to red.
So you can see we can change the color through Google Home. Now let's try to change the brightness. Okay Google, increase smart bulb brightness to 62%.
Okay, setting the smart bulb brightness to 62%.
So we can even increase the brightness. Let's try to decrease the brightness. Okay Google, set brightness of smart bulb to 5%.
Sure, setting the smart bulb brightness to 5%.
So now we can see the brightness of bulb is reduced. So now let's turn off the downlight. Okay Google, turn off smart bulb.
Alright, turning the smart bulb off.
So you can see we can control this downlight through Google Home. In addition, you can automate this downlight to turn on and off by setting up schedule and scenes. This is a very good looking downlight. Hope you like this product, and if you want to buy it, I have provided the link in the video description box. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thanks for watching.